Kay Floki. Puno pa ng ice. Nag-drive ako dito sa work. Puno pa ng ice. Pasok na ako. Managulate. Oh my God, look, we have a snow. Look at this. My car is covered with the snow. We had it yesterday. Look at this. The snow. I'm gonna walk to my car. Oh my God, my car. I'm gonna drive over the snow and car ko. Look at this. Ay, nako. Hi, ayan po guys. Nakikita namin ng snow. I'm on my way to work. Ganyan po dito sa Las Vegas. Pag merong snow, you need to wake up early. Yesterday, my dog upset. There's no snow. It was upset. Ilagay ko yung clip dito from yesterday. Isa lang po. What? I just hope it. Okay, sorry. Ano lang po, konting ingat. Dahil sa yellow. Dahil sa snow. Mahirap ang daan. Tapos basagulero. Dito po sa area namin, dito sa Las Vegas, nagaganyan. Snow during winter time. Not every year. Last year we didn't get any. The other year we had so much. We had a lot, and a tree fell on this car, and then the weather newscaster people are in front of my house forecasting this car. There's a tree on top of it. And I said, I'm sorry, I cannot talk. I have to go to work. I have to go to use the other car. But they are very nice, so they still continue the weather forecast. I will find that video and put it here.
We kind of want to give you this side over here. Ooh, very frightful. But yeah, let's take a look at what this is. So this tree, you can see split down the middle over there. I was mentioning earlier this morning that we're getting a wet, heavy kind of snow, and that really does build up on these trees, whether it's a small tree or a big tree. I mean, it is going to cause some of these branches to come down. We're in a neighborhood where
good that I got this snow and I got to show you. I knew if I get up early. I got up early today because I'm 8 to 4 today. So 7 o'clock. Because this snow is just gonna melt in like maybe if the snow is stopped, this snow we have in the car, I think in just 20 minutes it will be gone. So some kids sometimes they wait for it and then they play outside. But I don't think this time it's gonna happen. Not much though. So I didn't get to see the park if we have it covered with snow. Yung park ko kasi na ano yun, naka-cover ng snow, so punta doon yung mga bata, tapos pati yung may mga dogs, dinadala nila doon, may mga dog. So yung dog ko ayaw lumalabas. Nagkakasakit po siya, or he's the only dog doesn't like the ride. We have a motion sickness. Sabi ng vet niya, his vet said like, yes, there are dogs like that, so don't force him. So his exercise is inside the house. He's playing, running around, up and down the stairs, running around the hallway, back and forth. He's energetic naman when inside the house. He's very playful. We have a lot of toys. Very careful during this time, because sometimes the road is slippery, so you will reduce your miles per hour here, or else you're gonna get a ticket. And over there it seems like there's an accident. There are police on my right side. May ilaw na siya sa right side. Yan po siguro sometimes yung mga hindi nagre-reduce na hindi nagre-reduce dahil yan po. Hindi ka din pwedeng magsa-sudden stop dahil Doon din po sa kaliwa ko. Meron din. Ang dami din po. Kotse sa harap ko. Balot na balot siya ng ice. Ay, ay, ay. Ganyan po itsura ng likod ko. Pero natutunan na. Hindi ko lang ma-reverse. Pag ibang kotse walang ice sila, so nakapark sila sa garage nila. Kaming mga may ice, nakapark yung kotse namin sa labas. Sorry po if I'm a little boring kung magsalita, ha. Hindi naman kasi po ako sanay. Kaya lang gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo to. Itong isno namin. Ito na sa harap. May truck na gustong pumasok. So sana pagbigyan na lang nila instead of causing accident or traffic. Kasi may mga ganyan po. Yan, may mga nag-i-stop kapag na nakakadikit yung kanilang bumper. Like this one on my right side. Kasi nga, nadudulas. Yung isa ko po noon na lumang kotse, meron siyang special tires. Nakaka-drive siya sa snow. Nadadala po yun dun sa Mount Charleston kasi nadala namin yun sa Wisconsin kasi pwede namin siyang i-drive sa snow. Pero mahal po yung tires na yun. Saka alam ninyo na ninakaw po doon sa una naming tiniran na luma. So umalis kami doon. Gated community, meron pang security. Nanakawan ako, nanakaw yung kotse ko. So saka nagkaroon ako noon ng habits. So everybody back then using checkbook, iniiwan nila sa kotse. So ako din ganon pag nagbabayad kami ng bills kasi wala pang mga online pati yun ninakaw. Pinagagamit yung check ko sa sa mga store. Nakaw yung identity ko pero may police report, so na-i-report ko lahat. So hindi na yung credit ko. Kasi kung hindi nyo nire-report yun, then they use your check and you didn't know. Then the bank will just gonna call you, hey, your check bounced, blah blah blah. No, sisira yung credit ko. So re-report niyo agad yun. So naka-ring na yun agad sa mga establishment. So if that person tried to use my check, like that lady, she tried to use it. So nakatanggap agad ako ng subwena. They summoned me to go to the court and para dun sa lady pretending she was me. Oh my God, she was so far from looking like me. Dahil blonde siya, long hair, blonde. She was using my check, using my identity. But that was a long time. Everything got straightened up. So just be careful, guys, for your personal belongings. Since then, I learned my lesson. I don't leave anything here in my car. Lapit na ako sa work. The Tagal matunaw ng kotse ng sa akin. Tunaw na yung sa iba. Gulot pa din ako ng blue eyes pa rin ako, malapit na ako sa work ko. Snow pa din. Tonight, if I can, I will show you the ride home. I will give you the tour of my life. This is the tour of my life at work. With the snow. It's nice kasi may snow. This is our garage. Ice, This is our parking garage. Pag yung green light telling us na available siya. Pero tapos pag red, merong nakapark. Ako dito magpapark sa malapit sa garage. I mean, malapit sa elevator. Tagal matunaw ng kotse ng sa akin. Tunaw na yung sa iba. nakapark na sa work. Magmamas lang po ako. Kailangan ko pong maglagay ng surgical mask. Then my uniform mask. Kapakita kayo is naging yun na dala ko pa dito sa trabaho. Relate ako nito, no? Kita ko lang sa inyo yung is na ng kotse na Facebook. Kinuha ng ice. Nag-drive ako dito sa kinuha ng ice. Pasok na ako, manilay.